Traditional Christmas decor, timeless elegance for the holiday season. Hey, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. Christmas is a time of joy, nostalgia, and creating memories. And few decorating styles embody these feelings as beautifully as traditional Christmas decor. In today's video, we're diving into what makes traditional holiday decor so special. We'll explore its timeless appeal, how you can recreate this look in your home, and of course check the description box because I'm going to leave some of my favorite traditional Christmas decor down there and you can take it to your home. And we're going to take a look at some of the most iconic locations that really celebrate the season in classic style. Grab a coffee or a tea and let's get started. So the big question is, what is traditional Christmas decor? Traditional Christmas decor is all about embracing the timeless, heartwarming elements that make the holiday season magical. It takes inspiration from decades of festive traditions and blends them with really rich classic aesthetics. So some hallmarks of traditional Christmas decor include a rich color palette like red, green, gold, and white that really dominates this look. These colors evoke warmth and festivity. Also, classic decorations, think glass ornaments, twinkling string lights, velvet ribbons, and stockings. Natural elements like fresh greenery, pine cones, and holly and berries bring a touch of nature indoors. And of course, symbolic pieces like the nativity scenes, angels and stars often feature in really traditional setups. Traditional Christmas decor invites a sense of familiarity and warmth, making your home feel like a haven of holiday cheer. So let's talk about how to achieve traditional Christmas decor at home. Let's break down how you can really turn your space into a traditional Christmas wonderland. Number 1, start with the tree. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of traditional decor. Think of all those holiday movies like Home Alone where the house is just buzzing with activity and there's Christmas decor up. 9 times out of 10, especially for movies, they use the traditional Christmas decor theme. So speaking of trees, opt for a lush, full tree, real or artificial, and decorate it with classic red and gold ornaments, twinkling white or warm tone string lights, velvet or satin ribbons cascading down the branches, and a really timeless tree topper. I know pics are all the rage right now, but what do you think about a beautiful star or an angel? Tip number 2, incorporate festive greenery. Use fresh or faux greenery for wreaths, garlands, and centerpieces. Add red berries, pine cones, and gold accents for a really festive fun touch. Drape garlands over mantles, staircases, doorways. At this point, wherever you want to drape it to really tie the room together. Number 3, focus on that mantle. A traditional mantle display often features stockings hung neatly, one for each family member, and if you are like my family, the cats have a stocking too. You may see candles or lanterns for a warm, flickering glow, or a statement centerpiece like a miniature Christmas village or garland adorned with ornaments. I don't know about you all, but I am obsessed with Christmas villages right now. They are probably one of my favorite things, and I actually have a few pieces to start my own. But the one that I'm going to do is definitely not as extensive as some of the ones that I'm showing you, that I'm seeing online. I just needed a place to start, but I am obsessed with this. Let me know in the comments section, do you have a Christmas village at your house, or is this something that you'd be open to? Tip number 4, layer your textures. Traditional Christmas decor thrives on cozy, luxurious textures. Incorporate plaid or knitted blankets, velvet cushions, and really thick area rugs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you don't have thick area rugs, consider some of the floor pillows. You know, you're gonna have a lot of people just kind of sitting around chilling. You may not have enough seating for everyone. So if your family is like mine, the old people get the seats, young people have to hit the floor. Number 5, add classic touches. Don't forget the small details that make traditional decor timeless. A nativity scene on a side table, a bowl of shiny ornaments as a centerpiece, holiday-themed porcelain or china for your dining table, a beautiful poinsettia somewhere in the room. There are just certain things that you think of when it comes to traditional Christmas decor, and now is the time to set them out and shine. So we talked about what it entails, but let's talk about why you would choose traditional Christmas decor. Well, the first reason is it's beloved. It has an enduring appeal that's been around for ages, and really it's nostalgic. It reminds us of holidays from our childhood or classic Christmas movies. And of course, one reason that we've talked about before, it's timeless. This style will never go out of fashion, so you can reuse pieces year after year and build on what you already have. Now, if you're looking for inspiration or planning a festive trip, here are some iconic locations that showcase traditional Christmas decor, but they do it beautifully. The first one would be the White House. The annual White House Christmas decorations feature classic themes like lush trees and handcrafted ornaments and twinkling lights. Number 2 would be the Biltmore Estate, and this is located in Asheville, North Carolina. This historic estate goes all out with traditional holiday displays featuring really grand trees, garlands, and festive dining setup. Number 3, the Plaza Hotel in NYC. Now, it's already known for its really opulent decor, but the Plaza celebrates Christmas with traditional elegance, red and gold accents, poinsettias, and stunning chandeliers. And number 4, the Ritz in London, England. The Ritz's grand lobby transforms into a winter wonderland with ornate wreaths, a giant Christmas tree, and classic ornaments. Now, traditional Christmas decor relies on a warm and festive color scheme, but here are some popular combinations. Red, green, and gold. This is probably one of the most popular. It feels timeless and like a big celebration, bright and vibrant. Now, cream and gold is another one. It's a more subdued take on tradition, but it's really perfect for very luxurious and elegant spaces. So last but not least, let's talk about some tips for really perfecting your traditional Christmas look. Stick to symmetry. Traditional decor often looks best when arranged symmetrically, creating balance and harmony. Next, layer your lights. Use a mix of string lights, candles, and lanterns to add depth and warmth to your room. This is not really the time for the bright, harsh white light, unless you want it and you love it that way. If so, go for it. Number 3, repurpose and reused. Invest in pieces that you can use year after year. And the good thing about it is if you go ahead and do the traditional Christmas decor style, you don't ever have to worry about it going out of style. And every year you can just add on to what you already have. Last but not least, add a personal touch. Incorporate family heirlooms or handmade ornaments for added charm. Traditional Christmas decor captures the magic of the season like no other. Its timeless appeal, rich colors, and cozy details create a home that feels both festive and inviting. Thank you for joining me on Home Decor 101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite traditional Christmas decor element? I'd love to hear how you're decorating this year. Until next time, happy decorating and Merry Christmas.